land.
Mommy Princess, I beg that next time
No,
you know they promise first. Even if say you don't want to, not they promise and pay. That's
Thank you, ma. Thank you,
Mama.
Wait, now if you talk this matter one by one,
Ogun go kill all Mommy Iyore France where be Bini, where be all of una go turn Ogioba, all the people where they follow Mommy Iyore, where as they cost Mommy Iyore, and so the cost go follow all of una.
Yes,
if that kind thing go happen, let be say that kind person promise and fail. Your character as a woman is very bad. As crowd reach that, they will not get shame. Almost 2,000 people they worship. Person like you, and I be take them. When old people and small people pray for you that they fake land. What do you not be when you say you be? You be fake. Person like you will not get you for inside fridge to shop. Fakey. I ain't the God that say it's Yegbe. Now because of you they sing that music is Yegbe.
Mommy Iyore ohian gbo egbibi we. Ebo no te do mu pe Mommy Iyore ohian gbo wa gbibi wa. Ebo ni yan mu pe Mommy Iyore ohian gbo wa gbibi wa wa ni le Mommy Iyore.
Princess, wait, by sub, wait, Princess, wait. Wait, the person where you want give land before. Now you are you waiting concern you where you want to give that person land?
No, thank you.
My brother, God bless you. I don't know say Mommy Iyore na Ogioba o. I don't know say they swear for am na person what I don't naturally like. You dey hear me so?
Yeah.
When she carry this old woman come out say they beg money, you they beg money, they beg. I come pity now say since they find say they won't build. Now say my dash the woman 50 by 100. Now there's somebody can say if the woman die, as he no get pikin, won't get one. They say na salt and water. Salt and water, who get salt and water? Not be Mommy Iyore. As I come tell community say they no go agree. Say Iyore na Ogioba. Now I come say I don't want to tell her. Now come and say community listen. They say you don't go agree. You be Ogioba.
Princess, wait. Let me understand. The community where the land dey. So as you tell them, say people who want give the land, and then they call the tell you say Iyore na Ogioba.
They say they no go agree. I said they dey with me now.
The community where the land dey say they no go agree.
Now me come say make they prove am. Yes. Now me say make they prove am. Iyore te be Ogioba. You dey hear me so? Now they come send me the picture where they take cost Iyore, where Iyore take the coffee. My brother, go cash me. True to God. I never ever first seen her for this life. Yesterday was my first time. Now I call Iyore yesterday night. You feel how the Iyore come here? All this one where they fight so. Juju will kill them one by one. You see all of them? Una no know now they dealt with
So okay, now the community for tell you that say Iyore na Ogioba before you know say Iyore na Ogioba. Hello.
The community and my family say na Ogioba, they don't want to see me with her again. They know that woman bogbe. Emenye ya muemi na. Nigga try that I one already. My brother, we are for wrong. Now Iyore say I must go sell that land. Man, I can't give her 5 million.
Iyore say you must give her 5 million.
See, she not fit enter Benin.
Wait, Iyore say you must sell the land, can't give her 5 million.
Then they beat me put so she and her followers though. Yes.
Can I saw the matter reach now? Okay, so
that's the matter reach. Even you wait, don't call me, come tell me say you.
Princess, wait now, wait, may I bring you down? Make I bring all those people up, make I interview them. Because what you tell me now? They never know what you have to say. The land.
I bet don't Princess. I don't like to do matter like this so because I know.
No worry, we know but person say no say na Ogioba na first time.
That is what I'm telling you now, Princess. You know the way I tell you. So I say now the people where land. Now where land they call they tell you say this woman na Ogioba say you be not know. Hello.
I tell you, say na Ogioba. Don't Princess, as you see me too. I stand before God. I stand with all the unique cow for this life. It comes from my mind. The way that they bring that a day, whether na scam or not be scam.
Everybody power tap this last stream. Everybody power tap and share the last stream. Let's go.
Mrs.
I don't know whether na scam No,
Bring me sister up here. Bring her up.
You know, say for my
Okay, wait. Princess. I
if
don't know what made
this
this
one.
happen.
I don't like to dey do my case like this, so don't preach. You know, say I don't like to dey do case like this.
Princess, you know,
If you
say
see the way we dey do this case, now. No, I don't like her like this. No, they bring people up. You go give me chance. You go invite me. I go talk. When I talk, you go listen
but
to
you know,
the
say you told me
genesis of
not
the
you say
issue.
you know what talk
Like
today.
this.
You say you know what talk.
Hey, don't bring the issue up today. Just don't bring the issue up today. Because
No, the
I
issue
won't
already
come
done,
and
but
I
people
talk.
there we want talk. You get what they hide. You not get what they hide now.
Bros, I won't tell you, say many things there where I won't confess to you concerning this thought and water ministry.
I mean, no, say
Allow me,
with
give
you.
me chance to talk.
Okay, talk.
I don't like a hurry. Nobody should force me. Don't force me.
Let her
Don't
talk.
bring this
Let
issue
her
up
talk.
today.
Let her
Don't
talk.
force me. Don't bring this issue up today. When you bring this issue up today, you will not see the ending and you will not see the beginning. The woman that is involved in this issue, she has even called me and said, this is the reason why she said that issue. So all this interest in most of the way frustrated for abroad, where they know they take care of their man, where they not even fit get 50 by 100, where they say they sleep for inside street for abroad, they go come and come they talk to person. I don't even know as I can find myself in the midst of
Happiness. This is make you don't want to bring the matter up. People they will want talk. So more listen to them.
Say wait, may Princess talk finish. Princess, just explain your mind. I'll give you chance. May you take
So
talk.
I beg, don't priest, you go kindly respect me on my behalf, on the behalf of Oba of Bini, where I for come as Princess Eweka I be. This issue is my own issue. So I will come back, I will come and explain to you the way it all happened. I never promised Iyore land. The woman where Iyore carry come out, and when they hear community say Iyore na ogin ba yen wi emune. We are gwalo be ken ogin ba je, yen wi me maru enwa ta aku meleli Iyore. So e gbon ma be yo ije ya yo turn here. Yen na ya vie yen na we scam me no. E mo ta o. Wetin be the name of the community?
No, you're not big lady. See, may I tell you something? Me know you well. You're not a big lady. So that will make me ask you a question. I'm saying, the people where the land they now those communities tell you say you're in a back. Now make them no one give you land.
Yes.
Those are the people need to understand. Say not be your fault.
No be my fault. Nah, they come they beat me. Okay, now.
This is the talk since we don't understand that. We don't understand what she dey talk.
We don't understand now. We don't
Me
understand.
understand that for the beginning. Say the community no dey give Iyore land. Say Iyore na Ogunyoba. Na be wetin she dey talk since.
Let the people talk.
So, Princess, don't worry.
Bros, I don't know wetin this happiness where I know go turn to sadness. I don't know what it is.
No.
Let me tell you, I tell you 7 days now.
This happen last week. Now last week this issue happened last week. I dey FYP dey watch where they talk about land of issue. It's
a pity. If you see the way I take pity for that woman,
they call it debate the name where they go use to build the house. Now she talk one thing just now. One they can say they go put whether a nickel
salt and water. They say they go put salt and water.
Something like that. Inside last week. Me, I not be Iyore fan.
My sister, it go better for you. They won't keep me since yesterday.
You go talk. Not be everything person they carry chest. Follow they carry chest.
Interview happiness.
Happiness, Miss Happiness.
You see wetin
now by force they say they give land me mona help me
Princess wait
kill me salt and water people won't kill me.
Princess wait
that day mommy wait may I talk wetin my eye see that day when they donate money for that Iyore wey no get pikin wey dey abandon na mommy Princess come talk say he get land for back of BIU 50 by 100 when he go give the woman. Everybody come dey pray for na Nigeria dey I no dey abroad. Everybody come dey pray for I can't even follow her that day. I come dey pray for her. I no be anybody fast. I will always say I only go on your platform they help me. Now only that one I know. But I no dey anybody side. If na who wrong I will talk her apart because na
Princess happy you hear now say happy wait. You hear now say this lady they talk now say as him make sure Iyore for that community when you want give the land the community say la
no be not be mommy Iyore, this mama want give land. Now
say that don't measure
Happy, can I just calm down now? You know what happened? Happy, can you just Happy? Holy Spirit just tell me to calm down. I swear, I return my.
Don't worry with there. You calm down.
Mommy Princess, I know insult you.
Happy,
I don't talk my truth. Mommy, I talk my truth.
Happy, wait with your word doje. You know why be? You know why be? Give me your address for Benin now. Where you stand put. I know they can't beat you. I just want may they carry you go show you things. I know they brag. You see me,
mommy. I don't say you they brag, mommy. Now the truth that they talk. Mommy, now truth that they talk. Now we see my eyes.
Which truth you call they talk now where they pay you? They say you're na Ogion bad. They don't fit give one. Wait till
I don't talk that. I know they talk say Ogion bad or no Ogion bad. Wait till they talk. Now you talk say you want give one land. Now you talk say you want give the land.
Community say no. So wait till now they beat me put now.
Me nobody beat you, mama. Mama.
I beg, I want to something. I want to beg. Don't please not verse. Happy. I beg. Say wait, Happy. I want your thought to you as a sister. You get what I want to tell you. That Bini, I want to tell you so that you understand me very well. Don't wear. This matter not be your. You know if you remove your mat for waiting not concern you.
Baby,
I just tell you the truth.
Happy,
baby. Mama wait. You know if you remove your mouth for waiting or concern you talk one to your son. You say you go use your children swear. Instead of you to use your children swear, my dear sister, use yourself. They swear. Remove the innocent children.
You were Nigeria. You don't know what it is.
I tell you. Listen to me. Not be everything where person I see they talk.
You're not a person.
Not be everything where I see. You were in Nigeria. First road. They judge for somebody. Go sit down for his house. Reason waiting. I tell you. You are your own. You get children. You were in Nigeria. One carry just you speak for yourself. You be your mouthpiece.
Because they help you.
Wait,
you be your masterpiece.
Wait, Happy. Maybe you put that first. Wait. May I bring this Jesus baby? So
me. I don't understand.
Hello?
That's one that light for fun.
Hello, Jesus baby.
I dey say banga.
Jesus baby, the banga we fly. Jesus baby, who we fly banga?
Drop a boy mistake to answer the request.
Jesus baby, who we fly banga? I will fly banga.
Hello. Pandamasa.
You dey fly banga before?
I don't know say I dey up oh God.
You dey fly banga?
No, person say you want buy banga.
Person want buy banga. Now Europe you been in Nigeria.
Na Nigeria oh Edo.
Okay. What do you know about this matter? Tell us.
Hey, but that day I did there where they call it Soko. I did for not day upcha. So as the mommy can say go give 50 by 100 first.
Everybody power tap, let's go. Everybody power tap, let's go.
Everybody can they happy, even mommy Iyore can they happy too. Small time I can change that to 100 by 100 for Sapler Road. Say back of BIU for Sapler Road. Now I can say go send somebody go there. They will go check out everything. So this mommy was also very happy too. Can they happy? He want day with mommy Iyore for life. He want me be neighbor. You understand? So mommy Iyore come the
say one me Iyore be neighbor.
Yes, he want day with her for life. You understand? Everybody was happy. I even write the mommy to tell her thank you for what you do. Come say they go build the house. They go name her salt and water house. They go put orphanage. The year go they take care of children for there. The year no go like things say he no get children for life again. You understand? And so they talk.
Iyore, wait. Which one will Iyore the fair free land? all the money where Iyore don't make for salt and water, Iyore don't fit buy land, make build the orphanage home for.
They come they look for house where they want buy.
They look for all the money where they donate for Iyore for what do they call them? For Idian Yesigi. Where say one
you are not priest all time no the way yes tiri go near donate the salt and water ministry ni awu. O we yes tiri you am bien na someone na your rest for that one. Me
the family go land one collect.
Wetin go sabi we want talk yes na be that I don already tell am wetin you want tell am kon we do more weather there go up won pe we ten. Who do I judge normal?
No, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. Because
so they can't look for house where they want buy for a day.
Now what they want sell for that. They say Iyore na Oba.
Iyore no fit gather money where don't gather for salt and water ministry. Now Iyore for donate 100,000 give Iyore.
No, they can't look for house where they want buy.
Iyore may say a doctor. No best salt and water ministry.
Mona go ask Iyore, you say choir master, the please abeg wait because na small thing dey vex me. Iyore no go enter bin, if Iyore enter bin, go collect. I dey talk am. Choir master wey pay for Iyore panel. Who know hear of choir master for this TikTok, for this Facebook or TikTok? Who know hear am for media?
Wait, therefore most of
you still remember? Choir master na my husband elder brother.
Big man 500.
Land this you go pack and give mommy Iyore. Mommy Iyore go pack and
you know 500. We pay us on
first day your head you go see. Na God go punish you. Iyore ganu kino aga kikia.
Big man 500. Are you here with us?
We agree to my brother. I agree the answer.
We're begging us Sununa. Iyore give me 100 by 100 or what we set and in the community. They say they don't give Iyore the land. Here was that one about me and the woman now the first thing no wait beno.
Okay, the woman are your fans?
This woman are my fans now, Princess Empire.
Okay, if the woman are your fans, not to ask question about the matter. Because I get the video. If the woman are your fans, not to ask question because who you want ask question, people where you want ask, there be Iyore puppies. They go confuse you. Because yesterday night.
If you see fake accounts, now they take full everywhere.
Hello.
Princess, we made come.
Hello. Even though say na you. So the curtain send give me.
Everybody power tap, let's go. Everybody power tap,
princess. I don't know the time where the lady take promise the
land. Kill you. Now your mama go shut up. Now salt and water go turn to cancer for una body.
We hear you. Please, my sister, can you mute?
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
So yesterday when the curtain give me, I told a year where they say princess. He promised them land. The princess come say he not go fit give them again. No, they tell her and say Iyore na exhibit of Edo land. As the princess talk all Iyore puppies, Iyore backwardness people, all of them just rush am. They just begin the back like dog. Say, for what? He don't promise them. They don't tell her thank you. They don't tell her thank you. They don't follow her. They don't tell her thank you. Why you can't come back again? Say, he not go fit again. Say they tell her, say, Iyore na exhibit language. Say, princess, say, he not they release land again. No, yes, they tell her, say, Iyore na exhibit of Edo land. All of them come begin the saga, this princess. Make come even they find the princess. Make I go look and say, who be this person? So I don't even see her. Me don't even know say she go even come here today. Now, so all Iyore puppies, he must sell the land, he go give them the money, or he go give, some go say, he go give them 10 million. Some say he go give them 7 million. As far as say, he don't promise them at all. And I say, what all those people, where come do Asha, where not make her, where they follow Iyore, what they talk for mouth. Percy be promise the day where Iyore take the do 419. You can't find out say Iyore na exhibit of Edo land. So he not get right to say he not go do again. They say because say he don't promise them, he must do. He must give them by force. May he go sell the land. He go bring the money come for them.
Everybody power tap, guys. Let's go. Share the last screen. Everybody power tap.
Say he must bring that money come for them because he not get right to promise them. He will come later fail. No, they say nobody get right to promise them and fail. Now, so all Iyore puppies, Iyore exhibits, Iyore single mother, Iyore useless people, all those ones where you spend 15 years in road work, we not make time for actual work. All of them begin to bark like dogs. Yesterday, I get the video. So, if you know say princess, now your fans, because so people where you want interview, there be Iyore puppies. So, I greet you all.